What's going on, everybody? Courtsideobi here today for Shopswap. New video for you guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Alright everybody, this is my guy Sam right here, the owner of Shopswap. What's good, bro? If you want, tell them a little bit about Shopswap and what it is and what your vision is.
Okay, so we started in East Lansing. My business partner Leo and I wanted to make a marketplace pretty much that people can buy authentic streetwear, sneakers, designers. Put together a whole team of companies and we got together and made our site.
Alright bro, so today's topic is how did I get into streetwear?
So I pretty much started playing basketball when I was younger, so it got me into all the shoes. As I got older, I got more into the clothing and fashion side of it. But everyone wants stuff that nobody else has, so that's why we got into this market, is because all of our streetwear and sneakers are rare. We're providing you guys with stuff that people can't usually get anywhere else.
Before you kind of started Shopswap, were you doing a little bit of reselling on your own?
Yeah, so I started buying and reselling just shoes and Supreme mostly. Once we got a little bigger, we decided to start the company to bring you guys more products. We wanted to partner up with different storefronts and get you guys all the products that you can get.
Started flipping like Yeezys and like little sneakers with not that much profit to them. Just kept on doing that, and that's how I was able to kind of like buy all this stuff like while I was in high school. Because in high school I never really had a job for real, so I'm like, if this is something that I like, something that I want to do, I have to be able to kind of like fund my passion type of thing. So I guess that's how I got started in reselling. Alright guys, so that was today's discussion. This has been how we got into streetwear. If you guys want to check out Shopswap, I'll link that in the bio. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out. Courtsideobi.